Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make a healthy and yummy avocado spread. To start, scrape out the ripened avocado pulp. Make sure you use a properly ripened avocado to get a smooth texture. Now add a spoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 green chili, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and salt as per taste. You can also add a little oregano as per your preference. Now add 4 to 5 small paneer cubes, which is optional. You can use a little curd instead. This will ensure a creamy texture to the spread. Now grind everything well and your healthy and yummy avocado spread is ready. You can use this spread while making sandwiches, burgers, or even as a dip for salad sticks or chips. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedbacks in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and stay happy.